Consumerism is at an all-time high, but with all these new products, what are we to do with our old beauty products? Throw them away? Hola mis amores, hi my loves. We're starting off with leftover conditioner. How many of us have delicates that have contracted or shrunk and we just don't know what to do? Well, by adding conditioner, you lubricate the fibers to get them to loosen up, and you'll be able to stretch these beautiful fabrics without breaking them. We'll use warm or cold water, but never hot. Our favorite gentle detergent. We'll add a little bit of conditioner, and then we'll submerge our clothing. We'll swish it around for around 10 minutes. Then we'll rinse with cold water. Make sure you don't put it in the dryer. The key is to hang your clothes up. I have these beautiful pearl hangers and I'll leave them to dry for a couple hours. And voila, you have beautiful stretched out clothing all by using leftover conditioner. You want to have beautiful and healthy hair? You have to start by protecting it, especially when you go in the pool. That conditioner that you were going to throw away, well, we're actually going to grab it and we're going to put it on the ends of our hair and we're going to leave it on till it's time to come back inside. You will see that you will have less detangle, frizz, and overall beautiful and healthy hair. How many of us have leftover body lotion that we just never use? We're going to use it to dust and shine our beautiful wood furniture. We'll put a little bit of lotion into a microfiber cloth, and then we're going to clean in circular motions. And look at my loves, look at all the dust it's going to pick up. Not only are you going to have shiny furniture, but it's also going to smell good too. This next tip is so simple yet very effective. We're going to get that old lipstick that we were going to throw away and we're going to use it as rouge. We're going to put some onto our cheekbones going in a circular motion, and then we'll put some on the tip of our nose. This is an old Hollywood trick that a lot of these beautiful starlets such as Elizabeth Taylor and Marilyn Monroe would use, and look how beautiful and natural it ends up looking. This is for my loves who either had a lipstick that was too harsh on them or they just want a little bit of color on their lips. We're gonna get some Vaseline, the old lipstick, a little container, and we're gonna mix a little bit in there. Once it's been mixed in there, we're gonna use this as a lip balm and it's gonna leave your lips full, luscious with that little bit of beautiful pop of color. I was so upset with this face cream that I was gonna throw it away. But then I started looking at the ingredients. And because most face creams are so moisturizing, they're perfect to use on those delicate areas, such as our hands, our knees, our toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Face creams are perfect because of those ingredients. They leave our hands, our knees, our elbows really moisturized. Foundation. We've all bought one that's either too light or too dark, and we can forget that we can use it as contour. Because most of these colors are pretty similar to our skin tone, it won't be too harsh. You can use the light to contour underneath your eyes and the dark to contour underneath your cheekbones. Remember, it's okay to splurge and have fun with makeup, but it's also good to be sustainable and wise with our beauty products. Let me know any tips and tricks you guys have. I love you guys. Los amo. Mwah!